Welcome to Incline, one of the most sought-after communities here in Ascension, located in the modern parts of South Summerlin. Here at 1115 Rolling Vista, this is an exceptional property where modern lifestyle meets elegance. This open floor plan not only accommodates your daily needs, but is also designed for your entertainment needs. This patio space just extends your indoor-outdoor living needs. The rare premium view lot along with this modern concept pool combines to create the creme de la creme of Ascension. I'm Randy Hatada, broker of Expand Realty.